Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to prepare a fresh garden recipe. Let's begin. Look at these beautiful vegetables and flowers. Nature is full of colors and flavors. Let's pick some juicy tomatoes and crunchy cucumbers for our dish. These apples will add a sweet touch to our garden meal. Fresh herbs like mint and basil make everything smell and taste amazing. Clean vegetables are the first step to a healthy and tasty recipe. Let's chop everything with care. Cooking starts with love and attention. Hear that sizzle? Our garden ingredients are coming to life. A pinch of spice brings magic to every dish. Let's add flavor. Slow stirring helps blend all the flavors beautifully. It's perfect. Just the right balance of taste and aroma. Let's make it look as lovely as it tastes. Presentation matters. Here's our garden fresh meal, ready to be enjoyed under the open sky. Food made with love, shared with happiness. That's the real recipe.